Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a banana yogurt smoothie. First, gather your ingredients: ripe bananas, plain yogurt, and a liquid base like milk or water. For a single serving, you'll typically need 1 medium banana and about 1 cup of yogurt. You might also want to add a half cup of your chosen liquid to achieve the perfect consistency. This simple combination forms the delicious foundation of your smoothie. Next, prepare your banana by peeling it and slicing it into smaller, manageable pieces. This helps with easier blending. Then, carefully add all your ingredients, the sliced banana, yogurt, and liquid, into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, with no lumps remaining. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. To customize your smoothie, consider adding a few optional ingredients. For a touch of sweetness, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup works wonderfully. If you prefer a colder, thicker smoothie, toss in a half cup of ice before blending. For an extra nutritional boost, a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds can be a great addition. Experiment to find your favorite combination. Finally, once your smoothie reaches your desired consistency, pour it into a glass. It's best to serve and enjoy your banana yogurt smoothie immediately to experience its freshest taste and optimal texture. This quick and healthy treat is perfect for breakfast or a snack. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.